Hi, everyone, and welcome to One Global Team, a proud team of Sisel International distributors. We are so excited to welcome you into One Global Team, where your journey to health, wealth, and purpose truly begins. This is a team focused business, and you're now a part of a global movement that's changing lives with the most advanced health product and also a compensation plan built to reward people just like you.
Now is the time to protect your family and our planet. Live a better, healthier lifestyle with Sisel. Did you know that significant health hazards can be found in your home, in the products that you use every day? Over 4 decades ago, my father, Tom Maurer Sr., came to a shocking realization. He found that many of the same harsh chemicals used to manufacture industrial strength cleaners and detergents were also used to produce common household personal care items. These chemicals are reported to pose health risks when they came in contact with skin. Tom wondered, why would products meant for the human body contain so many dangerous chemicals? We were determined to spread the word and find alternatives to these potentially harmful ingredients. So began our quest to reshape the health and wellness community with safety and science at the forefront. And thus, the Maurer mission was born.
My father, Tom Maurer Sr., established Sisel as a visionary enterprise of product development, manufacturing, and distribution that ensures the Maurer mission spreads and flourishes around the world. Sisel stands for science, innovation, success, energy, and longevity. As we live these principles every day and are committed to our founding values, Sisel holds true to the mission of creating health, wealth, and happiness for business builders and customers around the world.
My experience with Sisel began at a young age as I literally grew up in the business. I remember in grade school being asked, "What does your dad do for work?" I would always answer that he would find products that had harmful ingredients in them and replace them by creating products with safe ingredients. Earning a biology degree from Utah State University helped me to learn all the aspects of product development. Ultimately, I decided that the manufacturing, operations, and logistics side of the business was where I wanted to place my focus. Learning from my dad and grandpa was also an education in Sisel for me, as they taught me the founding principles that make Sisel unique and unsurpassed in the industry. Our Sisel Safe mantra ensures that we use only safe and effective ingredients in our product formulation and manufacturing processes. In fact, Sisel maintains stringent safety standards that demand the highest levels of ingredient integrity. Sisel always gives you products made from safe, effective, non-toxic ingredients to keep your family healthy and happy. Sisel follows the same criteria for every formula. Remove the bad and replace it with the great. This means you can use every Sisel product with peace of mind. This level of control is all possible because Sisel controls the manufacturing, packaging, and shipping of its products. All raw ingredients are stored and mixed under the most rigorous of manufacturing standards. We have established appropriate controls in the manufacturing process to test from the initial raw ingredients to the finished products. That means we can control the formulations and the quality from start to finish. The manufacturing facility is CGMP certified, which means it follows current good manufacturing practice regulations enforced by the Food and Drug Administration. This can give you confidence to trust the science and safety behind each of our products. Even the water that is used is purified on the premises, passing through an advanced treatment plant before being utilized in any Sisel products. This is a truly modern purification system. Water is brought in and run through our carbon filtration system, which removes all chlorine. The water passes through our reverse osmosis system and runs through a UV light to destroy any microorganisms that may be present. Next, the water passes through a final filter for purity. This water then circulates through stainless steel piping until it is used in separate batching rooms for product manufacturing. Our water filtration system is so effective that even outside municipal water departments have come to study it for their own use. Our packaging also meets our rigorous standards. Sisel's products are packaged in BPA and phthalate-free containers. Sisel does all this so that when you see a product with a Sisel Safe seal, you'll know it's safe and carefully created. Sisel Safe isn't just a slogan, it's a promise.
So whether you're here to earn a little extra or to build a business or to create freedom, you're not doing this alone. In this group, we'll guide you step by step.
As the Global Sales Director, I have the opportunity to work closely and develop relationships with Sisel distributors worldwide. There are several core business principles that stand out to me that help our Sisel family members around the globe. First, Sisel is a privately owned company with a dynasty trust securely in place. This will keep the company operating within the family for the next 999 years. Rest assured that Sisel will be around for years to come. Second, Sisel is a 100% debt-free company. Few companies of this magnitude can make that claim. This ensures that partnering with Sisel aligns you with a company focused on financial stability, security, responsibility, and prosperity. Third, owning your own lab means that every ingredient is tested by our full-time scientist according to our Sisel Safe standards. This ensures potency and safety of each ingredient that goes into our products to guarantee the efficacy and quality of our products so that you and your family are receiving the best results from the best products on the market. Fourth, Sisel's compensation plan offers 8 amazing profit centers that set it apart from others in the industry. These unique features create an opportunity that rewards hard work and promotes fairness and equality, making our compensation plan one of the most generous plans in the industry. How are we able to pay such a high percentage? We control our processes through every step from formulation to manufacturing to putting products into the homes and hands of our customers. Cutting out multiple middlemen allows us to A, put our financial resources into product development, and B, offer one of the highest commission payouts in the industry. Fifth and lastly, our global marketing plan ensures that you and your team are able to build a business throughout the world.
My journey with the Maurer mission began some 25 years ago. The Japan market has played an integral role and continues to be a significant contributing factor to the success and growth of Sisel and the Maurer mission. Sisel now spans the globe across multiple continents and countries. Our message and opportunity is shared in many languages and throughout diverse cultures around the world. Yet, we find ourselves united by a shared passion for a mission of living healthier, wealthier, and happier lives. And what I believe to be Sisel's most valuable resource to a sustainable and successful business is you. And some of the greatest moments of pride and satisfaction have come in seeing our company meet those needs, allowing our customers to reach their goals and experience success. We value your trust, loyalty, and all of your friendships. Sisel's future is bright, and we look forward to sharing it with you.
Sisel has been operating throughout Europe since the company was founded. Our business spans 25 countries and many languages, customs, and traditions. Amid any cultural differences we may have, what unites us and brings us together are the amazing Sisel products and the opportunity. As a vital part of Sisel's business, we look to the future with confidence and optimism that our European markets will continue to grow.
Build a business right from your phone. Have the freedom to work from anywhere and more time to spend with the people you love. Start building a team and earn commission for helping them. How to get started, what tools to use, how to invite and present, when to plug in into the Zoom call, and how to tap into the power of our proven system. So take a moment to introduce yourself in the group. Tell us where you're from and what inspired you to say yes to Sisel and this journey. We believe in you, we believe in this mission, and together we are one global team. Let's go and build something amazing.